Starting around 17 September 2023, Dogelon Mars truly is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71%, in most recent 1 hour, in a decently fundamentally enormous manner, which essentially is genuinely critical. Elon in every practical sense has a really complete market cap of $84,721,252, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,455,692 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very huge. This in every practical sense makes Dogelon Mars Elon by and large positioning at 262 in the digital money market, which basically sort of is very critical. In the event that you in every practical sense certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically in a real sense is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars by and large be fundamentally worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical, or so they really thought. Is Dogelon Mars a wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they basically really thought in an especially large manner. Will Elon value sort of outperform its untouched high, which certainly fundamentally is very critical in an essentially significant manner? These by and large are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, showing that this most certainly in every practical sense makes Dogelon Mars Elon especially positioning at 262 in the digital currency market, which really is genuinely critical, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation 2023. As per the Dogelon Mars estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost explicitly is supposed to basically cross a truly normal value level of $0.00000018, the normal truly least value worth of Dogelon Mars, toward the finish of the especially genuinely current year, ought to sort of be $0.00000018 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Elon can especially arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0.00000020, exhibiting that starting around 17 September 2023, Dogelon Mars essentially is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly by and large is genuinely critical. Elon value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars for the most part really is determined to explicitly be at around an especially least worth of $0.00000015 in an unobtrusive manner. Incredibly, the Dogelon Mars value worth can in a real sense arrive at a very limit of $0.00000017, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars. So the Dogelon Mars value worth can explicitly basically arrive at a limit of $0.00000017, with the all things considered normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars. Elon value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars basically is gauged to basically be at around an extremely least worth of $0.00000016, which explicitly is very huge. The Dogelon Mars value worth can especially arrive at a sort of limit of $0.00000017, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Elon value estimate October 2023. The Dogelon Mars figure for October 2023 expects that the Elon may truly arrive at a really most extreme worth of $0.00000018, with a base cost of around $0.00000017 in a genuinely significant manner. Discussing the kind of by and large normal value Elon can generally stretch around $0.00000017 for October in a huge manner, which essentially is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars value figure November 2023. In November 2023, The cost of Dogelon Mars sort of is supposed to for the most part be at around a sort of least of $0.0000017, which basically is very huge, which basically is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars cost can fundamentally truly arrive at an actually by and large limit of $0.0000019, with the truly normal cost of $0.0000018 in United States dollars, which is very critical. Elon value conjecture December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Dogelon Mars, all things considered, is supposed to especially arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.0000018, which truly sort of is genuinely huge. The Elon cost could really arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.0000020 with the in every practical sense normal cost around $0.0000018, or so they truly thought. Dogelon Mars pretty sort of passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally in every way that really matters has been truly diminished by 0.65% in its for the most part lovely current worth, or so they thought, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Assuming we really analyze the kind of current market cap of the Elon with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap especially is additionally down, or so they very thought. Dogelon Mars generally is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Elon fundamentally is down to nearly 1.37% in the kind of truly most recent 7 days, which truly is genuinely huge in an especially enormous manner. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for sort of genuinely past not very many days. The coin could in every practical sense sort of have fundamentally kind of solid basics at the same time. We don't basically believe that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, showing how Dogelon Mars commonly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been in a real sense explicitly diminished by 0.65% in its by and large current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars value estimate 2023 facts. What will sort of be Dogelon Mars certainly worth in 2023? Or so they basically sort of thought. The Elon cost in a real sense explicitly is estimated to sort of explicitly arrive at a fundamentally truly greatest degree of $0.0000020, with decently in every practical sense least cost of $0.0000018 toward the finish of 2023. Showing that the Elon value sort of especially is gauged to basically arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of $0.0000020, with especially least cost of $0.0000018 toward the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Does Dogelon Mars especially have a future in a